How to file eBay taxes on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is determine if you need to report eBay income. You must report eBay sales if you made a profit from reselling items, if you received a Form 1099-K from eBay, and if you operate eBay sales as your business. Now you want to choose the right version of TurboTax, then launch it open and make sure to sign into your account. Now, you want to click on Income and Expenses, then select Self-Employment Income. Now, you want to answer yes when asked if you had self-employment income. Enter eBay as your business name. If you received a Form 1099-K, enter the amount in 1099-K section, then enter your expenses. Once that is done, you want to deduct eBay business expenses, which includes eBay fees, shipping and packaging, cost of goods sold, home office deductions, and much more. Now you want to double check all the income and expenses. After reviewing, you can choose e-file or mail your return. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.